Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create hard link in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So hard link means taking a copy of a file. So taking a copy of file. So for example, this is the demo.java. So I am going to create hard link to this file called demo.java. So let me open in terminal. So this is my current working directory. So this is the command to create hard link. Link demo.java. So my files. So under my files, there is no file called demo.java. It's an empty directory only. So I'm going to take the hard link for demo.java, which means that demo.java will copy to my files slash demo.java. So both demo.java will have exact copy, same inode, okay, same inode. So this is the command to verify demo.java ls-li, okay, see here, same inode number is for demo.java. So now what I'm going to do, I try to modify, okay, I try to modify the file. Let me modify the original file, okay, let me modify the original file. Okay, I am modifying the original file, that's it. Save it. Now let me go to the uh, my files demo.java. Yes, you can see that modified changes are reflected here. Whatever I modified in original file are reflected in duplicate content, okay. So if you modify in duplicate content also, that will be reflected in original content. Now you can see I have removed the original demo.java, but see here duplicate content is still remaining, okay. You can make use of this. So if you remove the original content means duplicate will be remain there. So this is the way you can create hard link in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.